Hello internet world, welcome to my review of the TP-Link tapo C320WS. This is an outdoor security Wi-Fi camera. This was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's exchanged hands. They haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm just going to share with you my experience of using this product over the past few weeks so you can make an informed buying decision. So let's get on with the review. As I mentioned earlier, this is the TP-Link tapo C320WS. It's an outdoor security Wi-Fi camera. It's got some really great features. I'll show you the box contents very shortly, but let's just run through some of those features. So we've got full-time colour capture, and what that means is that thanks to the little tiny sort of security lights that are built into the front of the camera, they switch on during night time or when you're getting sort of darker conditions. So instead of switching over to sort of infrared black and white capture, this will capture full colour day and night. It's also capable of capturing 2K HD video. It's got Starlight Night Vision and it's weatherproof as well. It works with the popular voice assistants, which is really good to see. If we look on the side here, this is some of the main specifications, including the video definition, which is 2560 by 1440. The night vision does also switch over to use IR LEDs as well, but when the little tiny floodlights are activated, then it will capture in colour. This is the wireless protocols it uses, and also this is the box contents. Take a look around on the back, it's just got some little bit of detail there about the camera, and then on this side it's got the main features listed. I'll run through them very quickly again. So we've got 2K high definition, full-time colour, Starlight Night Vision, wired or wireless networking. It's also weatherproof as well, and you get two-way audio and local storage up to 256GB microSD cards supported in here. Now inside the box you get everything you need to get up and running. First of all, let's run through this little pile of paperwork. We've got a template sticker, so this is for guiding you where to drill the holes to mount this onto your wall. And then we get some extra sort of regulatory information on these sheets here, and then we get a quick start guide, and it really is an easy installation. Very, very easy indeed. What you get inside the box is everything you need to install this. So we get some wall plugs and screws. We get waterproof cable attachments as well to make everything completely waterproof. We also get a power adapter. Now this will differ depending upon which country you buy this in. This is a 3-pin UK power adapter, barrel type connector on this end. This end goes into the wall plug. But if you buy this in another country, you're going to get a slightly different power adapter. And then of course you get the camera itself. Now this is the mounting end of the camera, so you're going to drill the 3 holes and attach this to the wall. There is a ball type connector under here which you can loosen off so you can adjust the angle of the camera. We get 2 antennas which you can position for the optimal wireless transmission, and then round on the bottom here we get 2 little screws just here which we can remove. These hide the reset button and also the memory card slot. Tapo branding on the sides, as you can see, little tiny speaker for that two-way audio, microphone built in as well, and then the front end, the business end of this camera, is where the magic happens. This is really a very, very good optical setup on the front. We've got a great lens with a good field of view. As I mentioned before, it captures full colour, full-time full colour. So even at night time, when these lights are activated, then it will capture in full colour even at night time, along with audio and also along with a siren as well. So if you do have intruders, the siren can automatically go off, and that should hopefully deter them as well. The fact that you also capture in video is really good for security purposes, and it is very, very good high quality video that you're capturing. Audio, not so much, but these are never really great at capturing audio. It captures adequate audio, let me put it that way, up with the cameras at a similar price point. But the actual video, I think, surpasses a lot of cameras at this price point. It's very clean, very crisp, especially in daytime. And these lights, these added security lights, are a real benefit, a really good feature to have on a security camera. The fact that it captures the video locally as well means you're not relying on that cloud storage, and also this connects to your smartphone, so you can actually get notifications, of course, and see what the camera's seeing via the app on your smartphone. How cool is that? And I've used Tapo products for many years now, and they seem to me to be very reliable, so I can certainly recommend that you check this out. This is the TP-Link Tapo C320WS. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit that like button. If you want to pick up a decent security camera, check out the links in the video description area. There's also a link down there to the manufacturer's website. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in another video very soon.